Assalamu alaikum class. Very good evening to you. In this video lecture we are going to learn CVC word with last vowel and that one is you are. So come and let's learn some words with me. As you know, you have already read it, learn it. CVC words. C stand for consonant, V stand for vowel and C is again stand for consonant. 3-letter word are here we are going to make. So come and let's learn with me. H-U-G hug, H-A-G hug, H-A-G hug, B-A-G bug, B-U-G bug, bug. Let's learn it. B-A-G bug. Next is C-U-B cub, K-A-B cub, K-A-B cub. N-U-T nut, N-A-T nut, N-A-T nut. And here is sun. Is here sun. Next one is M-A-D mud, M-A-D mud. Mud mean matti. M-A-D mud. So you have learned CVC word with letter U, A. Now open your book page number. Come on your book page number. That one is 68. Here you can see words with letter U, A. K-A-B cup, T-A-B tup, B-A-G bug, P-A-G pug, J-A-G jug. And here is B-A-S bus. On next row, B-A-D bud, M-A-D mud, K-A-P cup, P-A-P pup, H-A-T hut, N-A-T nut. Read these words and learn it carefully. On the next page, as you know, you have to write these words here. Again repeating word here, cup, tub, bug, jug, bus, cup, mud, nut and hut. You have to read it and write it on your book. And one more page is for you, and that page is you have to complete the missing words. You have to complete a word. You have to fill in the blanks by yourself. So do it and also write it on your notebook. Take care of yourself. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.